guys, this is Raj Kiran. Let me tell you this, I am very much excited to share with you all guys that today I am riding a beauty which is Triumph Daytona 675. Oof. I just took her out for a short spin and this bike is owned by one of my friend, and just take a look at this beauty, man. Whoa. What a beauty. Whoa. So let me tell you something about this particular beauty. The Triumph Daytona 675 delivers a pure adrenaline rush on road as well as track. And the thing is that the race winning 3-cylinder engine with an electrifying blend of mid-range drive and screaming top-end power is perfectly balanced and precisely calibrated for the extreme agility, control and confidence. Whoa. And this particular bike has a SC Project slip-on. The Daytona 675 adds high performance and the radial Brembo monoblock brakes and styling enhancement and the race-tuned agility and steering response. Both the models, the 675R and the Daytona 675, both comes with switchable ABS as standard. Triumph Daytona 675 inline triple is tuned for race-winning peak power and torque of 128 PS at 12,500 RPM and 74 Nm at 11,900 RPM. So please ignore the fuel level is kind of negligible, which is less. Really widespread of low down and mid-range grunt from the 3-cylinder layout. The Daytona 675 is happy taming roads as well as setting the lap record timings. So honestly, I have ridden this bike already, but as of now with the roar of SC Project slip-on, it is like so amazing that few of the cows were literally after me. I was so damn scared, man. That's it, and let's take her out for a short spin and do some speed testing. I'm just literally scared that no cop should catch me, because you know my kismat is so bad. Most of the times I get caught by the cops without fault, and yeah, do without fault. Just like once or twice I got caught with my fault. Let's just fire her up and listen to the orgasmic sound. Let's just go. Whoa. Man, that grunt, my goodness. Oh fuck, my ears are literally paining and the sound is so fucking good. So let's just take her out for a short spin, take a roundabout. I'll directly meet you guys at Beanboro's place, where I'll be handovering this beauty. See you guys on the highway. Sounds so loud, so fucking loud, man. I'm shit scared. This grunt is like literally fucking me, man. I thought I would get a free stretch where I can just pull the bike, but unfortunately this particular bike deserves a massive salute because of the amount of power it has. I literally fell in love with this bike, though
The Street Triple has all my respect every time. Fuck. Like we can literally play him, man. The power, the brutality. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of this exhaust and the sound, but this one sounds so sweet and so brutal. I can't literally explain you guys. And even in the sixth gear, the pull is something which is just out of my hands. And the Triumph's inline 3 whistling sound is taking away my heart. It is just taking away all my heart. I am in love with this bike. I am literally in love with this bike. Oh man, oh man. I will take this pull once I get a small stretch where I can think something from inside where it is gonna be safe. Otherwise, I literally cannot take chances with this particular machine. Though it handles very well, but it is too scary. It is just pulling, man. It is just pulling. Whoa! Shit! Bike pulls so hard. And just because of this exhaust, I'm shit scared that no cops should notice, and again the fine is gonna be imposed, obviously. Let me tell you this, because the exhausts are not street legal as far as I know, and this particular bike, it is a track spec bike. So this guy has done an ECU remapping as well as slip-on SC Project exhaust. So definitely I cannot ride this bike legally on the roads. It is completely a track spec bike, and I know I am violating the rules, but at least I am not causing any public nuisance. God. Just the pull is super duper amazing. Fuck. And honestly, man, I didn't know that this bike, oh god, shit, I was shit scared. Yeah, so that's it. So our ride is like a short spin, and I told everything, and it is a short sweet vlog which I gave. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and do let me know if there are any comments you people want to tell me where am I supposed to look into my videos and where I can just improve. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. Bye bye, sayonara.